welcome back to Will's Garage. We are just about set on painting a few of the last parts we have here. Mentioned in an earlier video that I lost the content I had for how I painted the body. So I figured I'd take a moment just to share the process on a couple of smaller parts for the bare metal, basically going through to paint. We've got some paint mixed up. The guns are just about getting ready over there. I also want to make sure I have a couple of cups with cleaner, paint gun cleaner, ready to go. I use one just as like a trash cup. I use another one that has clean equipment in it, so when I take the gun apart I can put it in. This time around we're going to do primer. We'll let that flash off a little bit, and then we'll do a base coat of red on the parts that are going to be red, and then we should be able to mix up a small amount of clear once that red flashes off, and then we'll do clear at the end as well. So stick with me, we'll get these parts painted and back on the car. Alright guys, that'll just about do it. We put down some primer yesterday. I gave it overnight just so it wasn't too wet. And today put on some color. We did 2 coats and then clear 2 coats as well. So you can kind of see how things played out. It's a little cold at the moment, so I did notice I got a little bit of orange peel that I might sand out now that I know how to do that piece of it. I may just leave it alone too, because it's really just worse in the camera than it really is, I think, at the moment. So happy with the results. That's the last of the painting for me. Got the dash here, got the windshield frame together, a few parts sitting out in the sun there to kind of bake off a little bit faster over there. And then I have a whole lot of cleanup to do in the back here, because all summer I've had paint equipment set up, and now it's time to pack all that away. Not sure the next time I'll get it out. A couple of things that I did notice as I went through the painting cycle. The Eastwood paint gun and equipment cleaner is probably the best that I've run into. I really like using that to clean everything up at the end. My FLG4 paint gun, I think, is finally dead. I had some inconsistencies in painting. It's almost like it's on, off, on, off, on, off. I had that issue when I was painting the body, which was very frustrating. So I actually went and used my old Harbor Freight. I think it might have been $65. Very consistent gun. Keep it clean and it works out great. I may see if I want to get another gun at some point the next time I get ready to paint. I'll have to write down some notes because I may not remember it. And aside from that, everything laid down exactly as I thought it might. So we'll get these parts dried out and work on some exhaust, work on some wiring, maybe get a chance to drive it before winter sets in. We'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching.